Hello and welcome to Nehas Cookhouse with Aloo Kathi Rolls. Aloo Kathi Roll is an easy and daily use snack which is loved by everyone in the family. They are made from all-purpose flour breads filled with spicy potato mixture and further flavored with tasty salad, green chutney and tomato ketchup. So let's go through the ingredients to make them. 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 3 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 cup lengthwise sliced onions, 4 to 5 tablespoon cooking oil, 3 to 4 tablespoon ketchup, half cup green coriander chutney, half cup finely chopped cabbage, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt according to taste, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. So let's start making them. First let's knead the dough. For this take a big bowl and add all-purpose flour. If you want to make it more healthy, you can also take half quantity of all-purpose flour and half quantity of wheat flour. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil and mix them well with flour. Once flour is mixed well, add water little by little and knead the dough to medium consistency. This is the softness we want. Now cover it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to let it set. Now let's make salad for kathi roll filling. For this take a small bowl. Now add shredded cabbage, half quantity of sliced onions, 2-3 tablespoon green chutney, little salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala and mix them well. It's done, so cover it and keep it aside to use later. Now let's make potato masala mixture. For this take a pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon oil. When oil is hot, add rest half of sliced onions and cook them on medium heat for 30 seconds. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute it for another 30 seconds. Once onions and ginger garlic are cooked, add turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons water and mix them for 20 to 30 seconds so that all spices rawness goes away. Now put heat to low and add mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, salt, 2 tablespoons water and mix it till all spices blends well with potatoes. Now potato mixture is ready, so switch off the heat and let's go to the next step. Now open the dough bowl and again knead it slightly to make it smooth. Now make small dough balls of this size. Now we will roll them to make a round shape paratha. For this apply some oil on the surface where you will roll them and spread it well. Now roll them with a rolling pin into 7 to 8 inch round disc. We want its thickness similar to chapati or like tortilla. Now let's cook paratha. For this heat a tawa on high heat. When it's hot, place paratha on it and let it cook. When it's cooked from one side, you can see its color has changed. So flip it and apply some oil to make it soft and fluffy. Then again flip it and also apply oil on this side. Now change heat to medium high and keep pressing and flipping with ladle and cook for around 1 minute. Make sure it's cooked properly from both sides. When cooked well, you can see nice brown color spots all over it. So take it out in a plate and let's fill the rolls. Put all things in one place. And first spread ketchup all over paratha. Then put around 2 tablespoons potato mixture in center and spread like this. Now spread some green chutney over potatoes. Add some salad. And finally sprinkle some chaat masala to give a perfect taste. Now roll it like this. If you want, you can also close both ends or just eat as it is. I usually like to eat them after cutting like this. So now they are ready to serve. They are looking beautiful, but let's see how is the taste. Kathi rolls taste just perfect with soft and spicy potato mixture, further enhanced with green chutney and ketchup. Kids love them, so you can also pack them in their lunchbox. Do try this amazing snacks recipe at home and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For latest recipes, please follow Nehas Cookhouse on all social media. Have a healthy eating.